In brightest day, in blackest night, no evil shall escape Nathan Fillion's sight. The Firefly actor will don the emerald ring as the Green Lantern in James Gunn's upcoming film Superman Legacy. The director confirmed Tuesday on Twitter. Fillion's portrayal of Guy Gardner will mark the first big-screen appearance for a Green Lantern since Ryan Reynolds played the hero in 2011's ill-fated Green Lantern. But Fillion is no stranger to the role. He voiced the superhero in several DC animated movies from 2011 to 2019, including 2018's critically acclaimed The Death of Superman. Fillion's involvement in the film was inevitable, as he has participated in all of Gunn's feature films. Most recently, the Castle star appeared as TDK in Gunn's 2021 adaptation of The Suicide Squad and provided comedic relief as Master Karja in this year's Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3.